everybody, this is Anthony from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I would give you a video or show you a video of my latest kit, which is my puppy kit, and it's called Plentiful Poppies, and it's already on my Etsy and Ko-fi store. And then the other thing I want to do today is that I want to I have a giveaway to do, and there are 4 ladies in the draw, and it was to fit, for them to tell me what kit they wanted to see, whether it was the beach theme or the puppy. So the beach is almost 50% done, so that will be releasing next week, but this is the puppy one that I released I think last week. So it's made up of 30 pages. It is on a 25% discount on my Etsy and my Ko-fi stores. I'll leave the links below for them and you can go and have a look. So I did mention it's 30 pages, right? So it's 10 main pages, 10 background pages, and then 10 ephemera pages. Okay, so obviously I'm printing on matte paper, and I'm printing on my inkjet printer with some generic ink. So the images are much more vibrant than this. You'll see the ladies in my design team, they've already done this kit over here, so you'll see the colors that they really show on the kit over there. So I'm just waiting for my ink to finish so that I can put in, so I've got like half generic, half proper ink in it. So I'm waiting for that ink to run out so I can put all my bought inks now. Right, so this is page number 1. I love puppies, hey? And I know there was a lady once when I did a Friday freebie on puppies that she asked me to do a kit. So I hope she's watching this. So that's page number 1. Page number 2. Oh, let's just put it here. That's page number 2. I don't know. This kit is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. That's page number 2. Page number 3. So I've added some grunge in it as well. Thought I'll do something with a little bit of grunge in it. So this is a bit grungy, not too much. So for those people that don't like grunge at all, and then there's a little bit of it. I think that's 4. That's number 5. Isn't that such a beautiful page? That's 6. 7. That's page number 7. That's number 8. 9. So I can be as normal, giving you 2 writing pages. That one, and then that one there. So they are different, just so that you know. Even though they look the same, they're not. Okay. And that was that. That's the other one. Okay, so that's that. Then these are the the background pages. I've kept them light enough for you to be able to write on them, but I also kept them in such a way that you are able to make ephemera out of them. Okay, so that's the first one. That's the second one. And you can see there's writing on it. So obviously you will write with the darker pen. Yeah, this is the only one I really, made it really dark so that you can use it wherever you want to. Okay, and that's number 4 of it. Number 5. 6. Oh no, yeah, I think so. 7, totally light one. This you can use on the background of your pages. Okay, so that's why I kept it that way. 7. 8. 9, that was my printer, so that's not on the image itself. That was my printer, and wasn't going to print another page for it. So that's 9, and then that's the 10th one. Okay, I think I'm going to switch off this light over here. Yeah. So there's some ephemera, my postcards, a nice tag that you can use. I changed up the ephemera here and there. There are some staple ephemera that I keep. Okay, so brought in a library card here. This is like a belly a band or a tuck spot, whichever. I've got 2 tickets there and 3 small tags. Okay, I decided to give you proper tickets here, and normally I give you small tickets. I thought I'll give you bigger tickets where you can use them as belly bands, you can use them as tuck spots, you can use them as journaling spaces. I also gave you something different here. Normally I don't, and these are just journaling cards, but obviously, you know, a different way. Line journaling cards. This one here is a Friday freebie that I have, and it is basically a pocket. Okay, so you get a pocket that you can use, and then these two go together. So they are like a tags which you can you know, put together, okay, to write on them, right? Or you can keep them separately, doesn't really matter, but that's the pocket for it. Or you can use the pocket on its own and then those separately. Okay, so that was a Friday freebie. Well, no, that was a template of one of my Friday freebies. Yeah, also this was a template, and it came of one of my Friday freebies. It came from the sewing one, the sewing kit, the sewing Friday freebies, that series. And this is a flip out journal, flip out pocket. So that's the front of the pocket, that's the back. That you can have a tag, you can put that pocket onto it, and then this you know, this journal card goes into this pocket, so you'll close it up, and this goes into that thing. And then I've just given you something where you can decorate as well. Okay, so that's also new. Then, you know, I love me some envelopes, so you've got your 2 envelopes over there. And then obviously I must give you pockets that you can use. Okay, my 4 pockets. This is a file folder, a mini file folder. Okay, just a tag, smaller tag. You know, I like my labels, love my labels, so you always see that. Nice big tags over here that you can use. Listen, you can cut them down wherever you want to. You can cut them down here, you can cut them down there if they're too big for you, and make whatever you want to do with it. And then some journal cards as well. So there's 10 ephemera pages as well. Now you gotta admit, this kit is gorgeous, really, really gorgeous. And I wish I had enough time to make journals out of every kit that I advertise, but I don't. And would have loved to make a journal out of that one. Okay, so now the giveaway. There's the giveaway. La-la! And I don't know who it's gonna be. I don't know who it's gonna be. You can see all are folded the same. The 4 ladies all are folded the same. All have the same paper on it. Okay, so this is a tuna can I decorated moons years and years ago. Okay, so I don't know whose is whose. So I'm picking up this one here, and I have no idea who's going to be the winner. But please do contact me. Contact me if you are the winner. Okay, and it's Christine Skinner, and she asked for the Poppy journal. Wow, okay, Christine, you are the winner of the Poppy journal kit. So that kit over there, you must contact me and then give me your email address, and I will forward that entire digital kit to you for you to use. So how did you get so lucky? Okay, let's see who were the other ladies and what they chose. So Christine is the winner. Christine Skinner, you are the winner of the Poppy Journal digital kit. Then it was Margritte Bester. Margritte wanted the beach kit, which is coming up shortly. Margritte. And then who was this? Suzanne Vaughan. Suzanne Vaughan also wanted a beach themed kit. So Suzanne and Margritte, those are coming up very soon, next week. And then it was Judy Fenter, who also wanted beach. Okay, and I must say that Judy was kind enough to send me beautiful images for the beach kit, and I am going to be using that. I got permission to use it from her friends and herself. I am using these beautiful images that she gave me, photos that she took and her friends took in the beach theme. So it's a little bit different, and I want to let you know that the photos that were sent to me were it's off our beaches here in South Africa, and there's one that is or a few, I would say, that I'm going to be using that are really iconic, in the sense that the beach theme kit shows one of the World Heritage sites, which is Table Mountain, and it's taken from the view of Bloubergstrand. So if you know anything about the Western Cape or Cape Town, you may not hear Western Cape because that's a province, but Cape Town, you've heard of Table Mountain, you've heard of Robben Island. I'm sure if you haven't, go and Google it. Okay, go and Google Table Mountain in South Africa, in Cape Town, or Western Cape as the province. Okay, and you would see how beautiful that is. And then maybe go and Google Bloubergstrand, and I will spell that for you: Bloubergstrand. Now, what does Bloubergstrand translate into English? Blueberg Beach. Blou for blue, berg for berg, strand for beach. Okay, so you'll see some of the images over there, and you'll see some of the bird life in the beach kit. You'll see some of the the sand and the seashells. So it'll also give you a taste of what South Africa is all about. South Africa is not only about politics and apartheid and crime, because I know, and I'm saying this because people tell me, okay, it's not my view about it, but people, when you meet people and people ask you questions, that's what they ask you questions about. But South Africa is an absolutely beautiful country. Its natural resources and its nature, the views, the fauna, the flora, the landscape, all these things are amazing. The weather is stunning. So if you ever have an opportunity, please come and visit South Africa. You won't go away disappointed. So Christine, contact me. I know you will. Okay, so if you don't contact me, I'll contact you. But you are the winner of the Poppy digital kit, and thank you so very much. And I want to thank all those people that have purchased my kit already. I really appreciate your contribution, and I really appreciate the fact that you thought my kit was worth purchasing. Bye everybody, see you soon. Oh, just before you go, got a Friday freebie, which I will air tomorrow, Monday. It's Poppy theme related. Go for it. I'll be filming the video right now after this. Bye bye, and have a blessed week ahead.